Hi there, I'm Iain Duff and I'm the Campervan editor at outandaboutlive.co.uk. No, I'm not in Rome today as it might appear. I'm actually in Germany at the launch of Westfalia's new range of campervans for 2026. We're actually at the Europa Park theme park. Lots of thrills on offer today, including this, the big story of the day, the brand new Kipling campervan, new for 2026. Lots of really good, interesting features in it. Let's have a closer look.
The Ford-based Kipling, with its fixed rear bed and generous storage, is a response to growing customer demand for vans that work equally well for day-to-day domestic use and longer camping trips. Its dimensions certainly make it work as a daily driver, although with the pop top, the height of 2.04 metres is just a little over the 2 metres that ensures you'll fit in most multi-storey car parks. The Kipling's key feature though is the permanent transverse double bed in the back. Clever side extension panels fitted to the sides of the van give the vehicle a few inches of extra width, making it possible to sleep across the way instead of lengthways. The mattress and slatted base combo makes for a pretty comfortable bed, and the design means the base can slide back or be removed completely to provide more storage space for transporting bikes, boards and other sporting equipment. Fixing points in the back allow you to strap your cargo down to prevent it shifting while you're on the move, and below the bed there are lots of storage cupboards. For family campers, in the pop-top roof there's a second double bed, and on hot days the canvas can be zipped open to reveal panoramic mesh windows which have the double effect of providing ventilation and allowing light to flood in. Back downstairs, the Kipling also features double sliding doors, allowing access to the living area from both sides of the van, particularly useful when you're using it as a daily drive. The kitchen unit has 2 gas burners, a sink and a 51 litre compressor fridge, which is big enough for a weekend break. The fold-up mirror on top is a nice feature too. The van has a good amount of kitchen storage, including a slide-out drawer and these shelved cupboards. There's an optional fixed cassette toilet in the back that sits behind a roller door, slides out to be used and then can be hidden away in its own cubbyhole when finished with. The 2 rear travel seats with Isofix fittings are used for dining around the table, along with the swivel cab seats, creating a cosy lounge and dining area. The van is fitted with 50 litre fresh and wastewater tanks, and there's the option of a Troomer boiler for hot water. When the temperature drops, warmth comes from a Webasto 2000 watt heater. Pricing for this new van starts at £60,900, and the fully spec'd version you see here comes in at around £76,000. The Kipling is an example of a van that innovates while delivering practical benefits. With a fixed transverse rear bed and generous storage in the back, it's a compact campervan with big ideas, and it meets a growing trend for vans that can be used every day. It benefits from numerous driver assistance features and is compact enough to nip around town on a daily basis, but it still has all the features you need for comfortable camping. In fact, it ticks all the boxes.
So that's a new Kipling from Westfalia, brand new for 2026, and they do make exceedingly good campervans.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think of the Kipling in the comments below.